What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad from Dad Simply Cooking. Did have somebody ask if I would make a crock pot recipe because it's so hot. And ever since I read that comment, it has been in my brain, why haven't I been making crock pot meals so my house doesn't heat up when I cook? Logically. So that's what we're doing today. Today, y'all, we're making an easy, simple dinner for you with things you probably already have at the house. It's going to be simple, it's cheap, it's chicken, it's Alfredo, it's good. So why not? I have my crock pot innards here, and I got some chicken breast today. So we're just literally going to put the chicken breast in the crock pot. You can brine it, you can marinate it, you can do whatever you want with it. I'm running on fumes, so I'm just going to put my chicken in. Put 3 large chicken breasts in my crock pot. I'm going to do my crock pot on high today, so my recipe will be ready in 2 to 3 hours. Say you're leaving to go to work. Some crock pots do have timers on them. I'm using the Drew Barrymore crock pot, and I believe I can set a timer on this to when it will start, or if you're leaving before you go to work, you cut it on for high for 6 or low for 6 hours or whatever else, or 8 hours. It will cut off when you get home. You can just hit it on warm or reheat or whatever. There's multiple different variations. If you don't feel comfortable with that, I get it. It's fine. But there are multiple different ways where you can have this cook while you're at work and have it ready for when you get home. So that is an option. So like I said, I got my chicken breast already in there. So we're going to add pepper. Pepper. Pepper it up, girl. Go ahead. I'm going to add some of my Creole seasoning while Aspen peppers it. Some Italian seasoning. Some onion powder. That's good. That's good. Whoa. That's a lot. Yep, you're right. I'm going to add some minced garlic. Minced garlic. I'm going to do 2 spoonfuls. I might make some homemade garlic bread. It depends. I have some pizza crust still frozen. If I can get, I don't think I can get it set out in time. I didn't think about that. 2 cups of chicken broth. Go ahead. Good job. 1 more cup. Ready? Pour it. Just like that, y'all. So, cream cheese. You're now 8 ounces of cream cheese into this. Now you can cut this into blocks and pour it all over, however you want to do it. Go ahead. So we're going to do 8 ounces of cream cheese. What we will do, we'll set our crock pot on high, and I will see y'all in a few hours. And we're back. My shirt's been changed. Chill. Before I start anything, let me take my noodles off and drain. Noodles are done. I'm going to open this up. It's going to be steamy for a minute. Plop them bad boys on in. Oh, it smells so good. Been 4 hours. So I'm going to do a half a cup of heavy cream. And then Parmesan. And start mixing. All it nice and incorporated, mixed up. Butter in there. Add some mozzarella. A mozzarella. Cheese. Mozzarella cheese. And just on top, I'm going to sprinkle on some pepper. And then some Italian seasoning. And then some parsley for color. And we're just going to let it sit. Oh, wrong thing. That cheese. Oh, it's gotten so thick. Oh, yes. Oh. Let's try this out. Oh my gosh. Oh my. That's the best Alfredo I've ever had. I gotta get a piece of chicken with it. Oh my goodness. Like my wife, she makes fettuccine Alfredo all the time. Oh, I love it. I'm sorry, Jerry. This is better than yours. Oh my gosh. Yo. Yo, I'm going to have the recipe in the description below. This is simple. It's easy. I'm not heating the whole house up, cooking things, baking things in the oven, making it hot and unbearable. Oh, make this. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. Being here, part of my family. Hearing from y'all, reading y'all's comments. I've enjoyed my journey so much with YouTube so far, and I look forward to what we have coming up in the future. So y'all take care, stay cool, have a great day, have a great weekend, weekday, whatever, whenever this video is you're watching. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I'm out.